Welcome to Complete Full Stack Web Development Workshop. Today I'm going to be your instructor to show you advantage, disadvantage, roadmaps, definition, and idea of a full stack developer. Workshop starts with the question, who are full stack developer? A full stack developer, in summary, can work in every sector of a IT project with his variety range of technical knowledge. Full stack development is the highest growing sector in 2020. It has the finest job market. Now, why to become a full stack developer? As Glassdoor predicted, is going to be the highest paying skill before 5 years from now on. So, it will be a wise decision to pursue this field of expertise. Now, starts with, I've already told you who are full stack developer. Now I'm going to tell you how to become one. These are the skills I'll cover in this entire course. If you are interested, of course. At the very beginning, you need to learn HTML5 and CSS. But you will be comfortable with all this language very soon. I am expecting about 6 months from now on. First of all, I'm going to show you how to write in HTML code. I hope you have internet browser, Google Chrome. Just to say sorry if you don't like Google Chrome, you are a developer now, so you have no choice but to like it. Google Chrome is a developer friendly and it allows to run real-time code and some other feature as a developer you will love to have. Then you will need a text editor. If you are a Windows user, use Notepad++. If you don't have a Notepad++ yet, go to your internet browser and download it now. It won't take much time because it is just a 4 megabytes file. Now, for a standard programming interface, run both the program and split it vertically into half and start coding. In summary, in right side, here we're gonna code, and the left side, with the help of internet browser, you can see the result just immediately. Okay, let's have some basic introduction about HTML, with whom we will start our journey. Before we get started, a small introduction. Hypertext markup language is a standard markup language for documents. It helps just to put your content to the web browser. By the way, thanks for participating in the test run today. Those who joined this class, can you please again join us tomorrow for test run at the same time for the same topic, HTML5 second class. Some basic rules you need to know. Before we get started, if you could run, anyhow, don't touch it. When you will be coding, only God and you will know what is happening. But after the run, only God will. Secondly, so if a code run, don't try to understand why did it run, just let it be. Thirdly, index refer to professionalism. In new tag, within a tag, you have to put 4 space called index. Without index, your program will be just fine, but your colleague or your boss won't like it, and it won't look a professional code. So index is a necessity. Fourthly, documentation. Documentation will be your life savior in future. So try to put comment and document referring this code. It will help other developer who wanted to develop your code or yourself if you need it in future. And lastly, debug your code. Understanding debugging is inevitable. So Accept the facts. Now we'll learn how to debug your code. First, check for error messages. Look at the compiler or the browser to find what is problem. You will probably get the line number 2 from error messages. Hopefully get to know what causing the problem. Add in the bracket or the semicolon or the whatever it is missing to move on with the course. Then, if it doesn't works, remove all the line until it works again. Then edit line by line. If this time problem doesn't occur, congratulations, your problem solved. But if does, you know exactly where the problem is. Then compare your code against the demo code. See what is the difference between the demo code and your code, and if that's the causing problem. And lastly, form a community among us to help each other out, or just ask me. Believe me, how careful you are. If you become expert, only a fraction of your time you will be a programmer, and the remaining time you will be a detective while you are the murderer. Feel free to ask me if any problem arises any time. So, welcome to the aesthetic world of programming.